Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning, welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. We have 3 stories for you this week, but before I jump in, I want to talk about our Drone Technology College Scholarship. For the last several years, we have given away 2 cash grants of $1,000 to current or rising college students with an interest in drone technology. This year's application window closes on May 31st, so if you know someone who is a current or rising college student, please send them our way. The link to apply is in the description below this video. At last, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is here. After months of leaks, DJI finally posted a teaser for a mysterious product release last week. Lo and behold, it was the Mini 3 Pro. Now, the new features and look come to no surprise, but the promo video DJI released was pretty slick. It showed off unique low-angle shots, vertical shooting, Active Track 4.0, a new remote controller, and more. The vertical shooting mode is such a great feature for those of you using drones to capture footage shared on a mobile phone. It saves a lot of steps for content creators. There's also an option to upgrade the battery to a new Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which, wait for it, gives you 47 minutes of flying time instead of 34 minutes with the included battery. It's worth noting that if you do use the upgraded battery, which is a little heavier, it makes your takeoff weight over that 249 gram threshold for recreational drone registration. Now, if you plan to order the Mini 3 Pro with the new remote controller for $909, the estimated shipping date is May 31st. But if you want the more affordable controller, you'll have to wait until August. We'll be making some YouTube videos soon with the new drone, so let us know in the comments what you want to see, what your questions are. Next up, Skyward, a drone software and training company that was acquired by Verizon back in 2017, announced that it will be closing its doors. The announcement came as a surprise to me and many others in the drone industry. In an email sent out to Skyward users, they wrote that this was not an easy decision. The Verizon robotics team will be focusing our efforts on ground robot management, connectivity services, and solution development. Skyward had recently announced a partnership with Parrot to launch the Anafi AI, a 4G-enabled drone that was supposed to operate on Verizon's network. No news has been shared that this is still the case. Skyward has said it will maintain operations until June 30th of this year. And on a personal note, we had a very close relationship with the team at Skyward over the years. We are wishing you all the best. Okay, lastly, the FAA is projecting a lot of drones to be used in the next couple of years. 2 million to be exact. Holy Batman, that's a lot of drones. And a very small number of them will become rogue drones. So smuggling contraband into prisons, flying over crowded sports stadiums, disrupting flights at airports, all of that nonsense. To combat these illegal drone activities, President Biden unveiled a Counter-UAS plan that comes with 8 recommendations. It includes new laws, expanded authority, a 6-year pilot program, further criminalizing rogue drone behavior, and more. At first thought, the idea of empowering more authorities to detect these rogue drones sounds like a good thing, but a concern would be encouraging overreach, which may lead to wrongly jamming or destroying perfectly legal drone operations. So that's something on our mind. This plan also comes at an interesting time as the FAA's new remote ID requirement will go into effect in September. This will allow authorities to locate not only the drone but also the pilot, which raises privacy concerns. So more to come on all this in the coming months. All right, that's all we have for this week, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news. Remember to check out the links below in the description to read more. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, to all of you drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.